Hi, Elsa here with just a few designs, and today I want to show you these little two that I have available. And these are all gold and black through and through. Here is the really pretty dangle comes with it, and this one is on a lobster claw, so you can move it or not. It has this nice black, really pretty charm. And some glass beads. I used to make that. Now, just like the others that I posted, they are pretty much the same, with mainly the epherema is what's going to be a little bit different. But other than that, they all have the same thing. Okay, so let me show you what you're going to get. This is a cloth bow, and it's made with the same fabric as the lining for the inside. This is that faux leather. It's really glittery, or faux glitter paper. It's like leather. It's really nice and thick, and both pieces were first glued on, and then I stitched them all the way around so that this will not come apart on you. Okay, this is an added piece that I sewed. It's also sewn on. All the edges are black, and it's done with the gold elastics. You're going to get this calendar sheet, which all of my books will have this, from January to June and July through December. Then you're going to get this. On this one I made a little pin holder. It's just made on one of these paper clip things. I don't know what to call these. So you'll get that. It has a little shiny elastic to match your book. And then you're going to get the gold pen, and these gold pens are going to come with their own little pouch. So if you don't want to carry it alone, along with your book, and you don't want it to get scratched, you can always put it in this. So you're getting that. You're also getting this paper clip bow, and this one's made on the big fat paper clip. It is made out of gold and the black, and it's all really glittery. Okay, and you're getting this other paper clip right here. And look at the charm. I thought, oh, that matches perfect. It's black with gold and a little rhinestone in the center. And this just goes at the edge of your book, wherever you want to put it, and it dangles really cute on the side like that. Okay. So now the insides are pretty much the same. I didn't sew on pockets to these, but I adhered these little bags, little pockets, side pockets, and they're removable. You can actually pull them off, and if you want them to stay on like permanent, take it off and put you some double-sided tape on there, and they'll stay. I didn't do that just in case you wanted to remove it. And then you're getting some stickers and some little cards like this, and this is what's going to differ from book to book, okay? But it's the same amount of stuff, just a little bit different, and it holds like that. I put these just to show you what that pocket would do. So you get this pocket in the front, and then the back doesn't have a built-in pocket either, but look at that fabric. Isn't that beautiful? Really pretty and shiny. But I give you another one that you can peel and also place back here if you want that here, or you can put it anywhere else. Okay. Excuse me, I'm still a little bit fighting with my voice and my throat. I've had a cold for about 2 weeks now. But anyway, here are your inserts, and I covered it in this really pretty black, gold, and white paper that I had. I did a project in this, and everybody just loved the paper, so I decided to go ahead and do this with this one because it matched these colors. So here's your first, and these will be the same on both books. Here's your first insert, and this has ruled paper on it. The back's also covered, and they're gonna have two folders, and I put the folders inside of each other. This is a side loading folder right here. Here's the other part, and then this folder has the bottom pockets like this. And I made you 3 little tags. They already have the little pre-punched holes that you can, dazzle up and put them somewhere. So you're gonna get 2 of the folders. You're going to get, and these are not laminated like the other ones in my other books because they are so thick. Okay, and then this is your dashboard, and your dashboard will be laminated, and I just gave you some sticky notes on here. Okay, and this is also laminated. You could also put this pocket in here if you choose, because it's the same size. And these measure 5.5 by 3.5. Okay, that's how big all your inserts are. And then here is your other insert, and it's covered with this really pretty black and gold paper. And this has the little dotted paper. And here's the back part of it, and this is the back part of your dashboard. And then here's your last insert, also done with the gold, and it has one of those cards so that you can do some journaling or some writing, or just leave it like that and look at it. Just like to look at it. And this one's also the dotted paper. Okay, and that is it for your book. The front of the books all have this bling right here. This is a Recollections bling. That the placement of it is a little bit different from book to book. That one has that right there. The camera, I don't think it's picking that up. You can really see it in person, really pretty. This one has it more like going up, like that. Okay, so that is that's the book. It is kind of chunky also. None of them turn out as chunky as the little ones. I mean, the little ones really turned really chunky. But in addition to that, I'm going to throw in another one of these little pocket. It's also, you can remove it. And this is more like an ID or a credit card or a business card size. You're getting that. And then I'm going to throw in some more of these little cards that pull aparts. This is what's going to differ from book to book. They're going to be different. But you're getting 5 of these. And I threw in some of the scraps that were left over from the paper, just in case you want to make some more inserts to go in your book and you want them to match. I'm giving you these, and these will be the same. This is the only thing that is not part of the collection. This was just a card that I found that I thought matched, so I threw it in there. But you're gonna get all these pieces of paper. Like I said, this is just a little extra for me to use, just so that you can decorate your book if you so wish. So there you have it. That's all you're getting with your book. If you're interested, please comment below or email me at justafew@gmail.com, and I will invoice you through PayPal. But this is them. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate your support so very much. So you'll have a good day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.